Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own cheesy croque monsieur. So we're going to put butter on a pan and we're going to wait until that melts. Then we're going to put 3 spoons of flour and mix it in with the melted butter. And then put some milk if you want to put milk. You can use yogurt instead if you want to. Then put 1 egg and mix it. Then we're going to put black pepper and mix that inside too. And then we're going to put nutmeg and also mix that too. And put a tiny bit of milk. And then put some all-purpose jimbo. And then 2 handfuls of cheese. It's up to you how much cheese you want to put. Now wait until it gets thick. Now pour it in while it's hot. And now cut off the edges of your bread. You don't really have to cut off your edges, but we prefer to cut it out. When you finish cutting off your edges, put some roasting paper or anything else to put in the oven. Now we're gonna butter our bread and put it on the oven dish. Put some butter on top too, on both sides. Now put the creamy sauce on top of the butter. This will give it some cheesy, good stretchy cheese inside your mouth with a good flavor. I'm gonna use cheese slices and put them on the side which has the cheesy sauce. And put some ham on top of it. And I'm gonna use some mozzarella. Drain out the water from the mozzarella. And I'll cut it into little circles. This will give the mozzarella a good stretchy cheese inside the croque monsieur. I'll put it on top of the ham. Put some grated cheese on top of the mozzarella. And put ham on top of that too. And put 2 mozzarella slices on top of the ham. And put a cheese slice on top of the mozzarella. And now you can cover it with your sauce and put the bread on top of the cheese. Now this is gonna make you a stack load of croque monsieur. Now put that sauce on top of the bread. And put some cheese. So then it can make a beautiful display of cheese. Put it inside the oven and take it out of the oven, and voila, there's your own croque monsieur. You see how that cheese stretches out of the Croque Monsieur? That's why it's the cheesiest Croque Monsieur. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and see you next time.